Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Fesa Faith Ingilio, 36 years old, from Moncayo, Davao de Oro. I am married and a mother to four wonderful children. My eldest children are twin boys uh, and currently at the age of 13. The next one is 9 and the last one is 2 years old. I have working experience when I was in high school. I am a working student. My responsibilities are taking care of the children from age infant up to school age, bringing them to school and supervise them, cleaning the house and cooking. I don't have experience working overseas yet, but my experience as a mother to four children has fully prepared me for the responsibilities of this position. Thank you for watching my introduction, and I sincerely hope you will consider me for this position and give me the opportunity to prove my dedication.